Welcome to the program. Here we are going to see a question regarding capacity planning. Specifically, if you can see this question, how you will do capacity planning, how you will conclude that how much you can produce per day. Though this is a complicated question, I will try to answer in a best possible way. First of all, you have to understand what is capacity management terms. One is installed capacity. Possibly when the project has started, the management would have decided a particular capacity for this plant. Okay, possibly if you take a automobile manufacturing, they will say I will do 1 million cars per annum or 2 million cars per annum, and accordingly they will invest in the capex. Okay, so this is called installed capacity. Second term is called demonstrated capacity. Maybe you have installed capacity of 1 million cars, but how much you are able to do? Okay, possibly if you take average of last 6 months, you may be doing zero point 0.9 or 0.95 million cars per divided by number of months, because you have to use the same units. Here we can take an average of whatever production happened last 6 months, and that becomes the demonstrated capacity. Okay, normally in capacity management we will use the demonstrated capacity because this is what we are able to do it. Okay, irrespective of installed capacity, we are capable of doing this much. So for all calculation, demonstrated capacity has to be used. And coming to how do you handle this capacity management, we can talk in terms of match or lead or lag planning. Okay, depending on whether you are matching as per the requirement or you are doing it in advance or later. Then depending upon the time period we are talking, suppose if you are talking about long term planning, we use something called resource planning. For mid term, we use something called rough cut capacity planning, where we check only the critical resources. Finally, for day to day operational requirement, we use something called CRP, capacity requirement planning. Okay, so to answer this question, not exactly this information alone sufficient, but this could be to the point to answer this question. Hope this helps. Thank you.